Hey y'all, it's your girl Miss Forever Turning Heads, and I'm back with another video. I've been gone for a minute, but I'm here to show y'all this little short video of what I'm doing and what I've been doing lately. This little ball cap method on the frontal sewing that I'm doing, and this right here is just showing y'all how it's melting against her skin. You know, showing the colors of her skin versus the lace. And this is like with my glue fully on, and it's down, just waiting on the lace to be cut or whatever. And I'm recording this with my phone, so y'all don't be mad because I thought about it at the last minute and I just grabbed my phone. I don't know why. But y'all see this process right here. It's with a little lace cut off, just a little, and it's melted. Y'all see it? Y'all know what it is. Your girl coming back. And I'm really ready to show y'all what I've been doing lately with my frontals and my closures. Just been working, trying to get my life together, trying to get myself together with my techniques before I come back to YouTube and show y'all what I've been doing. This right here is just showing y'all what I'm doing before I do my baby hairs and show y'all how I lightly pluck it. I didn't pluck a lot because a lot of my clients, they mess up their frontals a lot and they bottom out. So I try not to pluck a lot and just lightly pluck it or whatever, just to get them a full lasting install. But y'all see that sleek look, don't it? Yeah, y'all do. And this is just a slow-mo of her with her crimps, just showing y'all how the crimps look in slow motion. And she's looking like, why you got me doing this? I don't do this. I don't even know what I'm doing. Never done this before in my life. This lady got me doing too much, rolling my eyes. But y'all, it's been a minute and I'm coming back with a lot of different videos. Y'all gotta check me out. I gotta get my life together. But I promise you in 2020 the life gonna be straight and we're gonna be doing more videos, vlogging or whatever. Or whatever I'm supposed to be doing. Fashion, everything. But your girl coming back with a vengeance. And y'all gonna see how it goes down with me. All the different styles, techniques, and all I do. So, y'all just be on the lookout. I'll see y'all in the next one. Holla!